All right, so this vehicle came in for a chirping noise. You want to try to replicate this noise on the lift if you can. Just make sure that you have all the wheels lifted up. If it's all-wheel drive, lift all four. If it's front-wheel drive, just lift the front. If it's rear-wheel drive, just lift the back. You guys hear that chirping noise? One thing you want to check is make sure your tensioner is holding the tension. You can see that belt. See how it slips? That's most likely a belt noise. So from here on out, you're going to remove the belt, check all the pulleys, see if there's play. And then lastly, if everything's good, then it's going to be the tensioner that's bad. All right, now that all the belts are off, or the belt, you want to check all your pulleys, make sure there's no noise, that screeching noise. Try to replicate it with the pulleys. You want to check if there's play, move it in and out, especially the clutch. Just to confirm too, you can turn it on with the belt off, do the same test, and see if that screeching noise went away. As you can see, no more noise. It's definitely a belt.